welcome back. Today is another requested video and I'm going to focus on my hair. This is a look that I did a long time ago, maybe 2 years ago on Asia Video, and it's basically a slick back hair, kind of wet look. Somebody emailed me and wanted me to show you guys how to do this look, so I'm going to do this look today for you guys. This is how I do it. Hopefully it's easy enough and you guys get the idea. First product I'm going to use is the Axe Styling Spiked Up Look Extreme Hold Gel. Get a lot of that product on your hand. Put them together like this. Mix them together in your hands. Get it on your fingertips as well. And then just kind of brush it through your hair like that. As much as you can. It's already starting to give you that wet look. Just keep doing that. And then any strong holding product would work. Something very like sticky and shiny. It'll give you that shiny wet look. Pull your hair back and that should be it. Thanks for watching. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's continue. Grab a teaser like this, brush, and then just kind of grab your hair in the front area right there and give it a nice tease in the back, close to the roots, using the Teasing hairspray. This is the freeze hold. Then I'm going to continue to grab another piece of hair right here, right behind the first part, and tease it again, close to the roots right there. You guys can see. I can't see, but it's right here. Just as close to the roots as you can get. Tease it like no other. Give it a nice spray. Third time's down. Grab some hair behind here. Give it a nice tease. It depends on how big you want your hair to be. The more you tease, the much bigger your hair will be. So keep that in mind. If you want it to be like all the way up to the sky, that's fine too. Just tease it some more. So I'm gonna flip my hair back, and there you can see I have that big volume. Look like Elvira now. Start to do the same thing on the side. So move this to the side right here. Grab this part right here, pick it up, and tease it right underneath. Give it a nice spray at the roots, and then hold it over on the side and grab this side as well. Then moving on, grab this piece of hair right here, tease it underneath. You can see it's like starting to fuzz up right there. Give it a spray, lift it back, a nice comb backwards like that. Spray it. Okay, moving on to the other side, do the same thing. Grab this piece of hair and tease away. So it's going to look a little bit crazy, but in the end, you're just gonna comb it out, make it look much better. It's a big mess right now. What you're gonna do is start to just comb everything backwards and use the other end to kind of lift underneath certain areas to make it more voluminous. Right there. On the sides, I kind of want to make it very sleek and close to my forehead. So I'm going to try to pull this back as much as I can by combing it back. Once I got that combed back to my liking, I'm going to give it another spray. This is a lot of hairspray kind of hairstyle, so just go with the flow. Same thing on the other side, brush it back. Once it's nicely brushed, you can spray it. In the areas where it's flat, just kind of grab your other side of the brush and then lift it up underneath. Same thing right here, just lift it up. Maneuver and mimic things around to see where you want to have the volume. You want to do this whole thing before the gel dries up. Once the gel's dry, it's going to be solid, hard rock. Like just not moving at all. So make sure you like the shape and the height because it's going to stay for a long, long time. All right, so this should complete my look. It's just basically a lot of hairspray, gel, and teasing. Just tease as much as you can and then shape it into whatever shape you want. I kind of like it a little bit loose on the sides, just a tad loose, but not too like lioness where it's completely like rounded off. Just a little bit right here and a little bit of volume on top. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.